Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to check TikTok account analytics. It's pretty much easy and simple. I will show you that. So let's begin our video. So first you need to open your TikTok application, then go to your profile like that. You need to go your profile like that. After that you need to tap on the top right corner three line menu bar icon. Then you can see option creator tools. Just select creator tools. Then you can see option analytics. Just select it. Okay, there you can see how many people views, how many people likes, how many people share your video or your TikTok profile. You can see here. You can see your content, you can see your followers like that. So guys, in this way you can check TikTok account analytics very easily. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.